Okay, so this is now looks really good. I'm pretty happy about the way that it's coming together. Of course, that's how it's going to be. It's going to be vertical. So I think what we'll do is we need to do this part first, just this part here, and we're going to need another one of the boards. We're going to cut all the boards that we need for this. Not just real, so it's exactly 297. See if the square is square. Oh yeah, square. It's not 100% square, is it? Oh, that's okay. Maybe it's a bit. Oh, I didn't have it tight enough. It doesn't look square, does it? So if I do that. Oh, that's pretty close. Okay. Right, so now I've got to be able to cut this. I better scribe it first. I use the metal part of this. And we'll bring it around this way. Some right-handed. That's the way to do it for sure. Right. So I managed to use just the hacksaw to be able to get that cut. The cut's not too bad actually, as you can probably see. Don't worry about the paper, I've got to peel it off. But it's just about ideal. Obviously it's going to be the right size because they're all 297 being A4 size. It's probably a fraction over the edge, but that's better to be a little bit over than anything else, I suppose. Still quite frustrated about what I did there. So if I just, even if I do it that way, it's not too bad, I suppose. Two air vents. Probably can get away with that actually. Maybe I'll do it that way. Anyway, so we're going to put these things stuck up underneath, and that's how we'll do it. So we need to make sure that where I put it is going to mark it. They've got to be inside those marks there. If that's just, oh, it doesn't matter there, and there. Thing is though, probably don't know how I could get that so wrong. Never mind. Okay, so if we flip this over, I'll move this to the side. If we just flip this over, gets the black, it's a bit hard, isn't it? And we'll just move that aside. And then we'll just put these things right on top of where they're meant to go, I suppose. Like that. That's all that matters. So let's get this going. We can put this upside down, Remember the gloves. Stop the old sticky fingers. Right. It doesn't sit very well, does it? Maybe we need to use the other side because that part couldn't be right. Oh yes, it could be. Yeah, okay. So what we'll do is we'll just completely wipe that off because we're going to have to use the other side because that was the glue side. Got rid of that. Now we need to find a side that's not been glued, which I think is this side. So that's the side we've got to put down. So we'll do that all again. We should be able to get this nice and flat. God, jeez. There we go. Beautiful. Oh God, it's bloody moved. Oh, jeez, I keep moving it all the time. Okay, now I've got it straight to the, I think that's the way to do this. Yep. Now, I'll do the other end while I'm at it. This time, we'll check to see which side hasn't been glued. God, I don't think it's going to matter. So we'll just give it a bit of a pour, make it a bit sharp. So we'll use this side. Now, let's see if I can do it without. Can I wing this? That's the big question. Okay. Oh, just about first one straight off the bat. Is it about? Oh, that's not quite right. Just make sure that's nice and straight. Okay, so that's that part. We'll just let that dry, and then hopefully we're able to put that straight on, upside down. It will fit into place. But I still think there'll be some other measure that I'll need to use to be able to hold it in place. But anyhow, I've got to go ahead and cut the top piece, and we're going to start working on the actual terranium at the top. That's going to fit in the same way, and that will be fine. But we also need to do the side piece, which is a 210. Unfortunately, it's a 297 cut. That's millimeters. So I'll need to do that as well. So I'll go ahead and do that, and I'll be back to show you fitting it, because it takes forever to actually cut it.